welcome back to my channel, Back in the Kitchen Cooking with Mama Shirley. If you're watching me by TikTok, please hit that like button. If you're watching me by Facebook, please go to my YouTube channel, Mama Shirley 5. Capitalize the M, Shirley, number 5. If you watch me by the YouTube channel, please hit the like and subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And to my other viewers, I thank you. I appreciate you for all your compliments. Today, we're going to be doing a very special recipe. I'm going to show you in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. This is my recipe, stuffed ground meat. It's 3 different ways, 3 different flavors. One going to be stuffed with rice, topped off with the brown gravy. Excuse me. We have ranch style beans. That's going to be stuffed with the spaghetti sauce. We have mac and cheese. And that's going to be topped off with this sauce right here. Okay. And what I did was, here's the ranch style beans. All you do is put a little chili powder in it. That's all you have to do because it's going to go in the oven. And I already had pre-made some macaroni and cheese. Okay. That was already ready. And this is what you do. Get up a little closer here. Take your ground meat. Like that. So I'm almost making a meatloaf. You can also make a loaf with that. Okay. And it's going to go in the oven for maybe about 20 minutes because everything is pretty much cooked. You want that. And I was going to tell you to your rice, pre-cook your rice the day before or the day of and put it in the oven for a few minutes. Okay. Okay, we got that one now. That's the one with the rice. Here's the one with the beans. You just stuff it with the ground meat. Okay. And like I say, you can do it like a little loaf too if you want to, the old style meatloaf. You can do that too. Okay. All right. That's that one. And the last one, the mac and cheese. Set it up. Okay. I'm just wasting a little bit on the thing here. All right. Get you some in there. Like I say, it's not gonna be in the oven that long. Maybe 20 minutes the most. That's it. All right, and that's the one with the mac and cheese. Okay. I'm gonna go put all 3 of these in the oven. Let me give you a closer look at it. You got the rice, the mac and cheese, and the beans. You're gonna be putting the sauce on there when it come back. Okay. Okay, I'm back. It's been 20 minutes. It's out the oven. Here's the one with the rice, mac and cheese, and the beans. And what you do is take this some brown gravy, make your own gravy, pour the gravy right over that, like that, with the rice. This is spaghetti sauce. Pour your sauce over that. Okay, like that. And this here is that guacamole. Okay, put that like that. Okay, come down again and look at this again. Okay. All right, and we're gonna do a little taste test. Come down a little closer, you'll see this. Look at that. Top it out with some cheese. That's the one with that gravy. We're gonna taste this one. so good. And this one is the one with the sauce. Get a little bit of this here. This is the one with the beans in it. Get a little taste of that. Look at that. Look at that. It's just dripping in your mouth. Wait a minute. Last but not least, the mac and cheese. Ooh-wee. Look down and get some of that macaroni and cheese. Let me show you. Trying to get that mac and cheese on there with that sauce. Taste that one. Once again, these are the mini stuffed ground beef, one with rice, one with beans, and one with macaroni and cheese, brown gravy, tomato sauce, and guacamole. You better make you some. It's good. If you also, you can make a loaf like your old traditional meatloaf, and you can do the same thing. Stuff it like that. Once again, I'd like to thank my TikTok watchers. I'd like to thank my YouTube channel. Please hit like and subscribe. To my Facebook people, friends, and family, please go to my YouTube channel, Mama Shirley 5. Click on, I got more videos and more recipes for you to see. I want to thank you very much. I love you. Peace out. Mama Shirley.